So this is the sitting area. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. तो आज हम लोग अपने कम्युनिटी जिम आए हैं फाइनली खुल गया. As you all might know कि कोविड में all the community gyms they were all shut down and कुछ भी नहीं खुला था. So we had joined the other gym. It was a sports club. It is a sports club because we are still going there. We actually got an email that हम लोगों का जिम खुल चुका है. All the amenities, all the other facilities like swimming pool, I'll just show you in a while. Swimming pool, clubhouse, business lounge, everything has opened up. So we were like, okay, why not check out our own gym today. And anyways, हम लोग अपने दूसरे gym तो हम रोज़ जाते ही रहते हैं. So yeah, I mean, let me just show you कि how the gym is. So here is where you can drink water. This is some little storage area, and obviously here you can keep your gym bags and whatever towels you want. So as soon as we entered, we noticed that they have actually put little separations. So you can see here 1, 2, 3. They have separated the area around every machine. It's a good idea. It's just 2 of us today. Nobody else is there in the gym, so we can even remove the masks. We already शुरू हो चुके हैं. And let me also do something. I was missing our gym from a long time because it's just downstairs. You come down and then just get started. Okay. So now let me show you our pool area. We have jacuzzi and pool both, and it's a big swimming pool. Let me show you. These are our apartments, and just in the middle there is a pool. Kids are having fun because it's a summer season. And right there at the corner we have the jacuzzi. They have the barbecue grills here. They have like 2, 3, and they even have the fireplace. I think that's mostly being used in the winters. So that's our gym, and this is the back side of the gym. where they have a little waterfall. Here. And they have few more sitting areas where you can just call your friends and chill, have beer, grill the chicken and eat, like these sitting areas. And that's our clubhouse. So these are the sitting areas. This is another grill, and good that they have put the sanitizer everywhere now, just to be safe. So this clubhouse just in front of you, it has everything from the pool table to the theater room and all the stuff. Let me show you the clubhouse. I'm going back to gym. So we are done with our gym, guys, and now we are going to check our mails as usual. This is our local room. We're just going to check if we have some new mails. Nothing. And this is our another e-lounge. Try करना शिवी खुल गया है क्या? Okay, खुल गया है ये भी. Let me show you. This is also pretty amazing. So this is the sitting area. Relax, watch TV, and this is their computer room. They have iMac, Dell, and they used to have one printer also and a coffee machine. I think they removed it for now, but it was so much easier for us whenever we had to do something urgent. We used to come down, print, have coffee, and I used to come here and study also sometimes. So this is a nice area. Okay, let's go back. This is the front side of our apartments, and this is again, as usual, which I showed you, the Amazon hub, where we get all our Amazon parcels. Okay, that's pretty much it for today, guys. This is the parking, 4-level parking, and these are the apartments. This is where we dump all our trash. You just need to throw the trash there and there. One is recycle, one is trash, and pretty easy. This is the parking which I just showed you. And yeah, you can see the cars parked. And there is a top floor also.